Hi there. Today I'm going to do a review for SANPHAMDEPEVA.com on this Obagi Skin Lightening System number 5. Now 5 is the blender. When you're getting, okay, let's start with this. First of all, let me give it a 10 out of 10 because legitimately the Obagi line works. It didn't leave my face feeling yucky. It didn't break out my face, and it actually did what it was supposed to do. This has this really specific ingredient in there called hydroquinone, 4%. When I did research on that ingredient, that's the ingredient that will really lighten up hyperpigmentation and sunspots. It really works. This one says to use it PM. I mean, on the back it says you can use it twice a day. I used it at night. You put a thin layer on your face. I focused on the spots that I had, the hyperpigmentation, the sun damage that I had. And within a couple months, when this was gone, the sun damage was gone, and I'm not kidding. After all this money I had spent on other products, looking for the one that would maybe lighten the sun damage that I had on my forehead specifically, finally I found one that actually worked. This was recommended to me, and now I'm recommending it to you because I truly believe that it works. It's the Obagi number 5. So if you're looking to, lighten those hyperpigmented spots, if you're looking to lighten your skin, this product works so well. That key ingredient with 4% of that hydroquinone in there is skin lightening and blending cream. It really does what it says it's going to do. It didn't leave any weird funky films on my face, so I felt comfortable putting it on. It didn't break out my face, but it effectively lightened what I wanted to lighten. And yay, I found a product that actually works. So check it out on SANPHAMDEPEVA.com, the Obagi line. I recommend that you do 3, 4, and 5 in that series of lightening up your face. This one's number 5. But let me just give you a little tip. Make sure that when you are engaging in lightening up those sunspots and using products as strong as these, that you wear a hat, that you put sunscreen on your face, because the last thing that you want to do is spend money on a product not covering up your face, and then those sun damaged spots come right back. You know how it works. So give this a try on SANPHAMDEPEVA.com, the best product line I've ever tried.